Inside this box is a fake BMW X5 that we got from Alibaba for $4,000. Today, we're going to unbox it, compare it to a real BMW X5, and we're going to put it to the test.
Wow. Oh, no.
So, let's get cracking. Welcome to Unboxed. Before we get started, make sure you check out sbxcars.com, our premium online car auction platform. Yeah, I think it just got the shirt. There it is, first look. Oh, that looks great. You can't miss that kidney grille. I mean, it's so iconically BMW, that looks awesome. Little fake badge here, looks nice. It's like BMW colors, I think they've got 6 spokes instead of 3, but it's a nice little touch. I'm not sure what that represents. Around the side, what do we got? So, different brand of wheels again. We've got Ayatelli, which maybe it's like Chinese Pirelli or something, I don't know. Alloy wheels again, that's pretty decent, little 14 inches, look good. Now, coming to the back, let's have a look. I mean, it looks good, but I don't think that looks like an X5. And we've got some Chinese writing that says, now, this will test my Chinese translation, but I think it says a voice internet. I don't know why that's there. Okay. Welcome to the interior of your Chinese X5. So it's very bright, it's very un-X5-y. Got electric handbrake, which is nice. That's pretty X5-y. It doesn't have the crystal like some of them do, but the shape's nice. I think that still says New Energy, but it's almost like a mini badge on there. The display looks quite nice. You've got your power level over there, your volts. You've actually got like a running speedo. It goes up to 120. I think that's optimistic. Starlight lights across the side here, looks really nice. All the way across here, you've got starlights into number. I don't know what that's about. Anyway, now normally these things have a clip-on mirror, but this one doesn't seem to have it. So I guess there's just no rear view mirror. Okay, welcome to the back seat. Oh, it's Gucci. You've got Gucci floor mats this time. I think it's time to bring in the real X5 and see how these things compare. And there you have it. Looking at the actual details, the first thing, the grille. I mean, the grills are so similar. I mean, there's little differences, but I mean, they've got 7 spokes. You've got the camera in the same position. This is a real camera though. I think you'll find, yep, that is completely fake. Headlights, very similar-ish shape, but I think when you actually get in close and look, there's some differences, like very different shapes inside the actual lights. But just the general feel, it feels like a BMW over there. The badges, iconic BMW badge. That looks BMW from a distance, but once you get in close, it's obviously not BMW. Looks good. Let's go through to the side and have a look at some of the details on the sides. So, down here on the wheels, you've got 14s on the fake and 20s on the real, but I think proportionally it looks pretty good. Both alloys, I mean, they're obviously different. A few things missing on this. You don't have your indicator here. The mirrors though look very similar. You've got two-tone black and white, which, yeah, looks good. Down the sides, you've got very similar body shaping. I think they've copied that. This has got a little bit more detail coming up into the front. So at the back here, obviously the lights here is the huge difference. You've got split lights over here and you've got full lights on the Chinese version. If you drew a line here up, it's not actually too bad. You've got rear spoiler, light in the middle, and the fin at the middle as well, which actually, it kind of looks similar from there, but everything down is kind of bad. Before we get into the rest of the video, go check out our online car auction platform, sbxcars.com. It's where the world's most exclusive cars are bought and sold. From hypercars to classic cars, we have something for all car lovers. So what are you waiting for? Go and check out sbxcars.com right now. The link is in the description.
All right, now that we've seen both cars, it's time to do some testing.
Now, it's not really fair to compare a real X5 to a Chinese knockoff. We know which one's going to win. So, we've got a special guest, and this is probably my favorite Chinese car, the Lamborghini Urus.
We're going to put it through a tight obstacle course with tight turns, long straights, and rough terrain. Let's go.
First up is the Urus. I'm a bit skeptical about how this is going to go. Let's do it. Okay, we're good to go. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, slow start. And we're away. Okay. Whoa, this is bumpy. Oh, wow.
turning is terrible. Oh. God. Okay, foot flat, hold it flat. Okay, good. Oh my God, the turning is so bad. The turning is so bad. Okay, we've got some pace through here now. Wow, the sounds in here are terrible. Oh, I gotta make it around this corner somehow. Oh, this is gonna be bad. Okay, we're around. Don't hit the trees. Okay, through this section. Oh my God. Oh, that's a bump. Oh, God. Oh, that's a tight turn. Slow. Okay. One more right-hander. Tight. Go quick. Okay. Oh. Now I've got a steep turn through the barrels and I'm going to have to go wide here. Okay, here we go. Get it through. Oh my God, go. Go, across the finish line. Oh. That was sketchy.
What a ride.
So the Lamborghini Urus, time 57:31. Time for the BMW. That felt quick, so let's see.
It's the Chinese X5's turn now.
57:31 the time to beat. Can the X5 do it? The Chinese X5, let's go.
Oh, another slow start, bit quicker though. Oh, we're away, okay. Oh, this feels, I don't know, is it slower? Oh, no, it's pretty quick. Okay. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, after this bit tighter line. Okay, we're going foot flat, hold it. Now, very tight turn here. Oh, wow. Send it. Send it. Oh, so much dust in here. Okay, another tight turn. I think this thing turns a bit better. Oh, some proper drifting. Okay, now tight turn to finish. Don't hit the barrels. Here we go. Tight turn. Oh, get through. Can we do it? Oh, it's way too much fun.
That felt quick. I was proper drifting into the corners. I think this thing was turning way better, but whether it was quicker or not, I don't know.
That definitely felt a bit faster.
There's the evidence. Maybe it's a little rally car at heart. 2 more challenges left. Can the Urus redeem itself? 1-0 for the X5.
It's time for our second test.
Now, this is called the fishbowl test for obvious reasons. This is a test of suspension over this tight little course. We're gonna see which one I get the least wet in. So I already know what's gonna happen. A lot of water's gonna come out. BMW's up first because it won the last challenge. Let's give it a go.
Okay, here we go. Let's go. Oh no. Oh wow. Oh no, that's good, that's good. Oh no. Oh. That's really not good. Let's mark it and go again.
That was such a disaster.
Okay, so that's the mark to beat for the Urus. Let's go.
Thank you, I'm gonna need all the good luck I can get. Here we go, Urus time. I already know this is gonna be bad. Oh, it's in my mouth. Oh no! It's in my mouth! Oh. That's a lot of water. I feel wetter, but I think it actually might be more water left in the bowl.
It's very tight, but I think that's a win for the Urus, which means it comes down to a drag race to see who's the overall champion. Rightio. Oh. Well, I'm cool at least.
It's time for our final test, the drag race.
Okay, this is it. 1 point apiece. Urus won the water test, X5 won the rallycross. Drag race to decide it. Let's do it. I'm in the Chinese X5 and I'm up against the Chinese-Italian Lamborghini Urus.
Oh, there we go. I think I'm off to a quicker start. It's tight, he's just there. Oh, it's so close, it's so close. I think I'm pulling away. Yes! Oh, it was close, but we've won it. Might be the only time an X5 beats a Lamborghini Urus.
X5 wins. And that's it. The X5 has beaten the Urus, maybe for the first time in history. Huge thanks to SBX Cars for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.